Hello, this is Peter from First Maths, and today I'm looking at multiplying by 9, and this is for year 4. Resources: 0 to 100, number line, optional. 100 grid, again, optional. Mental learning objective. I can tell you something about the properties of numbers. Mental learning task. Give me facts about this number. Write them around the number. Pause the video until you have finished the activity. Here comes the next slide. I can tell you something about properties of numbers was our mental learning objective. Here is our main learning objective. I can multiply 1 and 2-digit numbers by 10. I can multiply by 10 and then adjust in order to multiply by 9. I can practice multiplying by 9. The key idea today, I can record the process of multiplying by 10 and then adjusting. Main learning task. Today you're going to learn more about multiplication and division. Today we are going to start with revision of multiplying by 10. Solve these multiplication problems. 4 times 10. 3 times 10. 19 times 10. 24 times 10. Pause the video and write down the answers. What happens when a number is multiplied by 10? That's right. All the digits move one place to the left. Multiplying by 10 moves all the digits one place to the left. Remember that you cannot multiply by adding a naught, because this doesn't work if you have decimal numbers. This only works for whole numbers. It doesn't work for decimals because you could have 1,000 noughts after a decimal number and it would not change the value of the number. We're going to now multiply numbers by 9. We're going to choose the same numbers as before. How can we use our knowledge of the 10 times table to help us with the 9 times table? Pause the video and tell your teacher. To do the 4 times 9, you can do the 4 times 10 and then adjust by simply subtracting 4. Look at it using an empty number line. Here's my empty number line. 4 nines are the same as 9 fours. So if 10 fours are 40, 4 nines are 4 less. Let's have a look. That is 36. Let's check. First we make 10 jumps. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we end up at 40. Then we need to make one jump. 10 times 4 is 40. Then we need to make one jump backwards, which is so that we make 9 times 4. Go back 4. 40 take away 4 is how much? Is 36. Sally runs a roller penny stall at the summer fair every year. She has to count up her takings all in pennies at the end of the day. She makes this easier by putting all her pennies into piles. She likes to make piles of 9 pennies. Her friend said it'd be easier if each pile was 10 pennies high. If she made 9 piles of 9 coins, how many pennies did she take all together? Pause the video and solve the question. So she has 9 piles of 9 pennies. Discuss in pairs how you can solve this problem. Talk about the mental methods used. Pause the video and work it out and talk about how you solved it. The next screen shows how many piles of 9 pennies Sally made over the last few years. Work out the total takings for each year using a method introduced in the lesson. Here are her piles. Pause the video and solve the answer. So it'd be like, each one of these is like 16 times 9, 19 times 9. Here's our main learning objective. I can multiply 1 and 2 digit numbers by 10. I can multiply by 10 and then adjust in order to multiply by 9. I can practice multiplying by 9. Ask children to volunteer their answers for particular years. Pause the video and let the children explain. Start with people who tackled smaller numbers. Record the workings on the board. Make sure you put the answers into pounds and pence. Pause the video to do that. Why is counting in tens easier? Pause the video and explain. Using this 100 square, count up to 100 in 9. Colour in each square as it is counted. Plenary. For homework, ask children to write out the times table as high as 20 times 9 and note down any patterns they see. Add together all the digits in each answer. What do you notice? Pause the video and discuss. Here's a review of the key idea. I can record the process of multiplying by 10 and then adjusting. Did you learn this in today's lesson? Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a math resource. Because I love uploading math resources. I upload math puzzles, math games, math quizzes, math lessons, anything to do with maths. So I look forward to seeing you again very, very soon. Bye!